Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So this is an impromptu video, you guys. I decided that I wanted to learn how to do Faux Locs or crochets on my children, which I already know how to do crochets, but I was not familiar with the new type of crochet. I come from a different time. Anyway, so I actually did butterfly locks on her first a week ago, and it was just too bulky for my liking. So I went and found a different method. So now I am doing this new method where it's more individual rather than crochet with the braids. So I started out by applying some of our Goddess Hair Repair Serum to the scalp area. And then I am doing like curved parts. They're not all uniform. It's just to make it look nice and natural. And I start by plaiting her hair with a little bit of our Elite Control Edge Control, about 1 to 1.5 inches down. So this is the easier part, and this actual method is a lot easier than the other ones. So once I started to plait her down, what I did was take one piece of the 3 pieces that you have when you're plaiting. And at this point, I will take the actual lock and I will put the hole where you would feed your crochet needle through. I actually open that with 2 fingers and I pull through one of the 3 pieces of the plait. Okay, so a plait has 3 pieces. I pull through one of the 3 pieces. Now, once I do that, I am now going to make that lock a part of the plait and continue to plait down. So once I pull that one piece through, I adjoin it with another one of the pieces, and now the lock becomes my 3rd piece, as you can clearly see there. And then I just continue to plait until I reach to either the end of her hair or until I reach to an area where I know that the lock is secure, because it's going to be wrapped anyway, so they're not going to see any of the braid or anything else. Once I finish plaiting her hair and the crochet piece down, this is when we're going to take some of our wrapping hair, which I use, like I said, the same type of hair from the same company. And honestly, you guys, I do not braid. I am not a braider. I don't aspire to be, but my daughters wanted these kinds of styles and I was going to learn. So I used the Bora Bora locks in 20-inch by Expressions. I got this at my beauty supply. It was $6 a pack. It took me no more than 4 packs to do it. And now I'm going to use the Expressions Springy Afro Twist hair. It comes in different lengths, just depending on how long your hair is. What I will say is I got a 12-inch, and I probably should have gotten a 14 or 16-inch because Adriana's hair was longer than I thought. Now, for this part of the process, this part is really easy. We are going to take a piece of the hair. You're going to take enough to cover the actual lock. You'll use your crochet needle and push it through your plait at the base. You're going to hook the twisty hair or twist out hair. I can't remember the name that fast. And then you're just going to crochet it through your plait. And now what you're going to do is you are going to use one side of your hair and just make sure that it is at least about 1/2 inch longer than your stop point on your lock. And then you're going to use the other half to wrap around the base of your plait all the way until you get past the hair or your hair, the end of your hair. Now, this is definitely something you can actually do to yourself. It doesn't really require a lot. You don't have to be a pro at this, guys. This is my first time. And I don't do braids. I don't do any of that. And the good thing about this is it doesn't need to be super neat. You want it to actually have, that lock look. So when I was wrapping it, I'm like, wow, this is that simple. I really paid somebody $100 to do this to my child's hair. This literally took me about 4 hours, and that's because I'm brand new at this, you guys. That's all. And the hair cost me no more than $50 when I was done. So when I got done, down to the bridge between her hair and the lock, I just continued to twist until I got to the end of my twisty hair. And I did not use any type of nail glue or anything. It didn't even take all of that. I've seen people using nail glue and stuff. I literally just wrapped it until the last piece just kind of fell right in, and then I just rolled it with my hand just to secure it. And I was done, you guys. Like, my daughter really likes butterfly locks. So this kind of was a rendition of butterfly locks without that ugly butterfly lock. I really hate the butterfly locks, you guys. But this was a rendition of that, and she really loved her hair. And that's what made me happy, because she loved her hair. She's like, Mommy, it is beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted, all that good stuff. So it came out really, really nice. It's definitely something that I would do again. And once I was able to put it up in a bun, it wasn't too tight, you guys. This is one of those styles where you can make it slightly looser and you don't have to worry about your hair pulling and all that stuff. You can have short hair and do this. You can have long hair and do this. I really, really, really like this style. So really easy to do, really teenager friendly. It didn't look really overaged on her. And, she is one of those people where she loves her hair. She loves her hair to look nice. So this will definitely last her about 3 to 4 weeks. I probably won't let her keep it any longer than that. And because I did it myself, it is so easy for me to take out because I know exactly what I did. Yay! Anyway, you guys, once I got finished doing all of it, this is when I went through and I put some more of our Goddess Hair Repair Serum on her roots. Just to kind of give her, some strengthening and just add some moisture back into the hair, because I didn't want to put it on in the midst of me doing the locks. I'm one of those people where I like it to be at the end. I'm a finished kind of person. So all I used in this service today, my service on my child, was some Goddess Hair Repair Serum, and I used some Elite Control Edge Control for the roots when I was plaiting, and that was really it, you guys. Like, it came out super pretty. I did put a couple jewels in her hair, which I got all of that stuff at the beauty supply store right in the hood, you guys. And she really, really loved this style. So, you guys, our Goddess Hair Repair Serum, our Elite Silk Wrap Foam, our Goddess Hair Repair Serum, and our Elite Control Edge Control is available on our website at EliteHairCareUSA.com. I was kind of just talking, and like I said, you guys, this video is nothing of a professional video. This is an impromptu video, something that I'm doing at home, and I wanted you guys to be able to see how I did it. So I was just really excited to showcase that I could do this, but I'm not offering this in the salon, so don't ask. Anyway, I used some of our Elite Control Edge Control on her hairline. My child wanted the baby hairs, so she has the Ops brush. The Ops meaning not my edge brush, but I used it because that's what we had. She used the Ops brush, but it's fine. So I went ahead and applied some of our Elite Control Edge Control to her hairline. And now I'm just giving her some baby hairs. She's a teenager. Baby hairs is a big thing. For me, baby hairs are for people like her, a teenager. She's a baby with baby hair. And then for this style, it all just kind of fell right into place. Like, everything just looks so tailored and neat. And I am a advocate of a child looking like a child. Even though my child is 16 years old and she has a job and all that stuff, I still don't want her to look like a stripper who's 30 years old in the club. Like, no. So, that's just me. You can do what you want with your child. This is my child, and that's just how I am. But all in all, you guys, the style came out awesome. I would definitely recommend anyone who has a teen to do this style to your teens, or get someone to do this style for you. And that's that. So I wanted you guys to be able to see exactly what it looked like when it was 100% finished. and we put the jewels in. So I had her in the bathroom to let me showcase her hair really quickly. This is the end result after she tied it down and she had it in a ponytail and all that stuff. And then we added a couple little jewels and little sparks to it. This is a 20-inch. It was still very age appropriate. She can wrap it up if she wants to. I just kind of gave her a rough wrap, and that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.